Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be doing product review. I'm excited to using this. This is gel remover. Doesn't require any foiling. That means my skin doesn't get dry, which sounds pretty awesome. First things first, let's file my gel down. And if you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe my channel for future update. Thumb has lots of layers, so make sure remove all design. It gets really dusty, so please wear mask. And please let me know in the comment if you have any question or request. Dusty part is done. Let's see what happens. Smells kinda funny, but I assume it's acetone. Apply onto nail bed. Try not to touch skin. Texture is like jelly, so it stay where you apply. Apply evenly. Now it's done. We wait for few minutes. I can see it slowly bubbling up. I didn't feel anything while I'm waiting. What's great about this is I can use my phone while waiting. With my fingers wrapped with foils, couldn't do anything. But now look, my fingers are all free. Yay! I'll wait little more. Again, if you enjoyed video, please like and subscribe my channel. That means a lot to me. See, all get winkly and ready to remove. Let's see. I've waited 3 minutes and it's soft enough to push them off. Awesome. I had gel polish. Maybe that's why it was quick. If you have builder gel, acrylic or gel X, I'm sure it'll take a lot longer than that. Overall, I like this product. It's nice. My skin doesn't get dry by acetone. And I can use my phone while I wait. Easy gel removal. Don't forget to moisturize and subscribe. Thanks for watching.